You go to put on your nylons and there's a giant run in them. The year is 1949. You are ready for date night. You've got a brand new dress. What are you going to do? You might think grab another pair, but you only have one pair because they're so expensive right now. And normally you would take your nylons in to get repaired, but you don't have time and you want to look fabulous for this date. Well, lucky for you, last week when you were at the drugstore, you picked up this nifty new tool called the automatic mender for nylon hosiery. This is a vintage tool made in the mid-century, the automatic mender by Fox Mending and Needle Company. So here's the little tool attached to the paper. So we have a little handle, we've got some wire wrapped around, and then we've got what looks like a little latch hook. So how exactly is this going to work? Do you think it's going to work? So the instructions are going over essentially crocheting these loops and threads together, but I'm not really sure if that's gonna work very well. Now we're gonna try it out, and this has never been used before, so it's still attached to the paper. So I just want to carefully remove this. It's just glued on there, it looks like. Now that we have it off the paper, it looks even more funky. Look at this funny, like flat loop over here. We have all these coils. We've got another little curl here. I mean, why do we even need those little curls there? I guess we'll find out if we end up using them or not. So once you've identified where the run is in your nylons, what we need to do to repair it is to actually stretch it out so we can see all the little fibers there so we can repair it. So in order to stretch out the run so we can really see it, the instructions say to place it over a glass. I don't have a glass here, so we're going to be using a hoop. So you can see I have the runs here in my nylons, and this is the area I need to repair. So I hoop the run to stretch it out like we're supposed to. You could also do this over the glass like it recommends. Now we want to find the very end of the run, which is right here. Real quick before we start using this, make sure you like and subscribe to Sew Anastasia. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you want to learn even more about sewing, make sure you check out my online and in-person classes. There's links down below. Now let's get back to this mender. So now what we want to do is we want to catch the vertical loop. So like right here, and we want to hook it. And then we want to go into the horizontal one and come down far enough that it's going to close the latch and hook. I lost it. Let's try it again. So we're going to hook that one, keep it closed, go into the next one. It comes up and catches it. And then you're supposed to keep looping. It looks like I missed it though back here because I have a hole back there still. So catching that first loop is really, really hard to do. I'm gonna kind of stretch it out with my finger here. See if I can get that. Because if you miss the first loop, you're not going to be able to repair it. See, I think I caught a horizontal one. Let's see if I can catch it this way. Maybe. I'm going to close that. Go into the next one. This is a really, really hard to try and do. It's just such fine, fine detail. And it looks like I keep pulling the cross fibers. So if I pull it, that one isn't far enough. I feel like I'm making my nylons here worse. And I keep making this run go further. So I've been trying to get this for minutes on end, and I just cannot catch that vertical fiber. So essentially what we need to do is latch the vertical fiber on here, and then we need to go up and down and loop these horizontal fibers onto it. But I can't even catch it. It's virtually impossible. And these coils on the little looper don't seem to do anything. I think they're just there to hold it and hold it like really, really close. because you have to be doing such microscopic work here to try and even find that fiber. I almost feel like I need like a giant magnifying glass. Oh my gosh, did I just get it? So sometimes I'm pulling it because I'm really trying to figure it out. And you can see I'm actually pulling this horizontal fiber. Like I cannot get that vertical loop at all. And I actually did get out the big magnifying glass to see if I could just really get in there and precisely get that fiber, but I could not. So in conclusion, I do not think that this mender by the Fox Mending Needle Company really works at all. If you guys have had any luck with this, I would love to know about your experiences. Leave it down below in the comments. And I'm also wondering, maybe they made nylons differently. Maybe they were knit together differently, because this seems impossible. I'd also love to know if you have any special tools or techniques for mending tights or nylons. I love tights and nylons, and I have hundreds of them probably to go with all my clothing for our very cold Chicago winters. And when they go bad, they kind of go bad. And I would love to be able to repair them. And unfortunately, this tool is not going to help me. I guess there's a reason we don't see these for sale anymore. Thank you so much for watching Sew Anastasia today. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you enjoyed the video today, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when the new tutorials come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you guys. Let me know what other kinds of vintage sewing and fashion tools you would like to see. Leave that down below in the comments. I'm always searching for something new. And don't forget, I teach classes online and in person in my design studio here in Chicago. And there's also an online sewing club and community that I run. So check all that out down below in the links in the description. And if you want to know what's going on in the studio right now, like the cute new little kitten we just got, make sure you check out my Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching today. Bye!